Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the 31st of October 1875 to the 15th of December 1950, commonly known as Sardar, was an Indian lawyer, influential political leader, barrister and statesman, who served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and first Home Minister of India from 1947 to 1950. He is also called the Unifier of India. The Statue of Unity, the Indian government erected world's tallest statue at a cost of 420 million United States dollars, was dedicated to him on the 31st of October 2018 and is approximately 182 meters (597 feet) in height. He was a barrister and a senior leader of the Indian National Congress, who played a leading role in the country's struggle for independence, guiding its integration into a united, independent nation. He was one of the conservative members of the Indian National Congress. In India and elsewhere, he was often called Sardar, meaning chief, in Hindi, Urdu, and Persian. He acted as the Home Minister during the political integration of India and the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947. Some famous queries of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. It is in my nature to be a friend of the friendless. Faith is of no avail in absence of strength. Faith and strength, both are essential to accomplish any great work. Religion is a matter between the man and his Maker. There is something unique in the soil, which despite many obstacles has always remained the abode of great souls. Today we must remove distinctions of high and low, rich and poor, caste or creed. Ours is a non-violent war, it is Dharma Yuddha. Your goodness is impediment in your way, so let your eyes be red with anger, and try to fight the injustice with a firm hand. Tell Churchill to save England first before saving India. The main task before India today is to consolidate herself into a well-knit and united power. By common endeavor we can raise the country to a new greatness, while a lack of unity will expose us to fresh calamities. In a domestic government, unity and cooperation are essential requisites. Non-violence has to be observed in thought, word and deed. The measure of our non-violence will be the measure of our success. Satyagraha is not a creed for the weak or the cowardly. Gandhi's 10 lines had greater force than a 100-page memorandum. Every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in this country but with certain duties. It is the prime responsibility of every citizen to feel that his country is free and to defend its freedom as his duty. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all will like this effort of mine. If you all like this effort of ours, then like, comment, share, and subscribe.